Zumzy's Garden Day. Good morning, friends. The sun is up and Zumzy is so excited. Today we are going to the garden. Are you ready? Let's go with Zumzy. Look, here is the garden. It is big and green and beautiful. Can you see the garden? Yes, a big green garden. Green, green, green. Zumzy loves the garden. But wait, what is that on the ground? It is small and brown. It is a seed, a tiny little seed. Can you say seed? Seed. One little seed right here in Zumzy's hand. So small, so tiny. Let's plant the seed. First, we dig a little hole in the dirt. Dig, dig, dig. The dirt is brown and soft. Dig, dig, dig. Now we put the seed inside. Down, down, down goes the seed. Bye-bye seed. Now the seed needs water. Every seed needs water to grow. Where is the watering can? There it is. Let's water the seed. Splish, splash, splish. Water, water, water. The water goes drip, drip, drip on the dirt. Splish, splash. And now the seed needs the sun. Look up, up, up. There is the big yellow sun. The sun is warm and bright. Hello, sun. Can you wave to the sun? Wave, wave, wave. Yellow sun, warm and bright. Help our little seed grow. Now we wait. Shh. The seed is sleeping in the dirt. Shh. Very quiet. Let's wait with Zumzy. Wait, wait, wait. What is happening? Something is growing. Look. A tiny green sprout. It is coming up, up, up out of the dirt. Grow, little sprout, grow, up, up, up. The sprout is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Wow, Zumzy is so happy. Now look who is coming to the garden. It is a little friend. Buzz, Buzz. It is a ladybug, a red ladybug with black spots. Hello, ladybug. Can you count the spots? 1, 2, 3 spots. The ladybug says hello to Zumzy. Buzz, buzz, ladybug. Oh, here comes another friend. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It is a worm, a little pink worm in the dirt. Hello, worm. The worm helps the garden grow. Wiggle, wiggle, worm. Thank you, worm. And look up in the sky. Flutter, flutter. It is a butterfly, a beautiful butterfly with orange wings. Flutter, flutter, butterfly. Hello up there. The butterfly dances over the flowers. So pretty. Now the sprout is growing a flower. Look, look, a big flower is opening. Open, open, open. What colour is the flower? It is red. A big red flower. Red, red, red. Beautiful. And here is another flower. This one is yellow. A bright yellow flower. Yellow, yellow, yellow. And one more. This flower is purple. A pretty purple flower. Purple, purple, purple. So many flowers in Zumzy's garden. Let's count all the flowers. Are you ready? Count with Zumzy. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 beautiful flowers. Hooray! Uh-oh, what is that sound? Rumble, rumble. The sky is getting dark and grey. Look up. It is going to rain. Drip, drip, drip. Here comes the rain. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. The rain is falling down. Down, down, down comes the rain. But that is okay. The flowers love the rain. Rain helps them grow big and strong. Thank you, rain. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Zumzy hides under a big green leaf. Shh, stay dry, Zumzy. The rain goes pitter-patter on the leaf. Drip, drip, drip. And now the rain is stopping. Slower, slower. All done. Look up in the sky. The sun is back. And what is that? A rainbow. A big, beautiful rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So many colours in the sky. Wow, can you see the rainbow? The garden is so happy now. The flowers are big, the sun is warm, the rainbow is bright. And all of Zumzy's friends are here, the ladybug, the worm and the butterfly. Everybody loves the garden. Let's remember everything we saw today. Are you ready? We planted a seed, we gave it water, we gave it sun, and it grew into a flower. We met a ladybug, a worm and a butterfly, and we saw a beautiful rainbow. Hooray! What a wonderful day in the garden. Zumzy had so much fun with you. Can you grow a garden too? With a seed, some water and lots of sunshine? Yes, you can. It is time to say goodbye. The sun is going down, down, down. Good night, flowers. Good night, ladybug. Good night, worm. Good night, butterfly. And good night, garden. Thank you for playing with Zumzy today. New Zumzy videos every week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time. Buzz, buzz.